COVID-19 has messed up the supply and demand chain. So when you can't get what you need, make what you need. For the last couple of days, I've been working on a garden. So far, I've planted potatoes, spearmint, chocolate mint, and planting more. For this video right here, me and my dad, dug the chocolate mint out of the ground, took the grass out, and then I am now planting it into a different pot near where you'll see the potatoes later on in the video. Yeah. This is the removing of the grass, because we don't want to bring any weeds, grass into the other pot or garden itself. So I very closely try to get in as much grass as I could, as much weeds as I could. Weed, haha. Did you know a bundle of mint can go for about $4.99, or $5 if you just want to round that up, or depending on how desperate people are, can mark that up to $6 maybe. So just a little tip for you guys. Since I had to pile the dirt to make a mound, I had to make a mound because it was easier to grow potatoes, and it's easier to harvest them since they'll grow, I guess, they'll grow weirdly. We planted them in the middle, and since they one seed grows like 8 potatoes, they'll kind of be out of the mound itself. So it's just easier to like pluck them, pull them out, and then you got another potato, and then they'll keep growing those potatoes. So it's like a really cool thing. I also had to weed the area closer to the rock. Yeah. So to grow these potatoes, it needs to be 1 foot apart. I just used my shoe. It needs to be 1 foot apart, 5 inches deep to grow potatoes. There's not much to say here. I'm just planting potatoes. If I remember correctly, there's 12. I'm not going to count every potato in this video on the tray, because that'd be time consuming. Then I filled it in with 5 scoops of a different colored dirt, so it was easier to know where to, water. Especially if you're in an actual survivor situation, so you know where to actually water and stop wasting so much water. City folk. Thank you for watching another Loose the Noah video. Thank you and good night.